Good morning. This is video 9 of Unclean Spirits and Demons. So the first one on this list is worry. And today we have 3 of them. We have worry, we have insanity, and we have paranoia. The spirit of worry, this is the first one. The spirit of worry also works with a couple of the other spirits in video 8, which is the spirit of fear and the spirit of anger. The spirit of worry always comes and works with these 2 spirits. Okay? Also, worry can come with 2 other spirits that are basically teaming up, which are the spirit of unbelief, okay, and the lying spirit. So with that being said, the spirit of worry always comes when you need to do things, when you're about to do things, the same way as the spirit of fear comes when God tells you to do something, or you know something's right, or that you're on the right path, but then you get scared and then you start to worry about, but what if, you know? And so that's the spirit of worry, and the spirit of doubt usually comes with that. The spirit of disbelief comes with that. The spirit of lying spirit comes with that. Spirit of confusion starts to come on because you start to be not sure because you're worrying, which is the spirit of Leviathan, basically. So those all work together. Then the other 2 work together as well. So hold on just one second. So the spirit of worry, the spirit of insanity and the spirit of paranoia work together. And I'm going to say right here, right now, that the spirit of insanity also goes with some other spirits in these last videos and teams up with them, which is the spirit of schizophrenia and psychosis. Okay? And sometimes it comes with the spirit of unaliving and the spirit of violence, and also the spirit of delusion. A lot of these spirits work together. As I said, they come in and team together, and spirit of insanity is just making you believe things. The spirit is making you believe things that aren't true, and you go and it makes you lose your mind, okay? Spirit of paranoia also sometimes comes with those spirits. And the spirit of paranoia, what the spirit of paranoia does is make you think that people are after you, or that things are happening or going on that isn't, which is the spirit of delusion that's in there as well. How to get rid of these things, how to be delivered and healed from these things and do warfare against. That warfare prayer will be in this description or in the comments of all my videos. Now, it takes a little bit of time to go ahead and get them uploaded and posted, and then go back to the video and add the prayer in the comments. So if it's not here and you want to get that, feel free to go to one of the other videos with numbers that have familiar spirits, that have unclean spirits and demons. So far I've got 1 through 8, and this is number 9 that I'm currently on here. So anyone before this should have that 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 prayer. So with that being said, thank you for coming on to watch. I'm glad you guys are blessed with it and getting this information that you need to start your spiritual warfare prayer journey and your deliverance and healing journey. And I will talk to you in video 10.